In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move files from OneDrive to PC, how to transfer files from OneDrive to PC. We'll walk through two reliable ways to get your files from OneDrive onto your computer. First, we'll use your web browser to download files directly. Then I'll show you how to move them using File Explorer if you already have the OneDrive folder on your PC. Start by signing in to your Microsoft account in your browser. Once you're in, open the app launcher, the grid of dots in the top left, and choose OneDrive. When OneDrive opens, go to My Files so you can see everything stored in your cloud drive. Find the file or folder you want to move. Click to select it, then open the More Options menu, usually shown as three dots. Choose Download. Your browser will either ask where to save it or save it automatically to your Downloads folder. If you download multiple items or a whole folder, OneDrive will bundle them into a single zip file. After the download finishes, you can open that zip and extract the contents to any folder on your PC, like Documents or your desktop. A quick tip: if you don't see the file right away, check your browser's Downloads panel and the Downloads folder in File Explorer. Now let's look at the second method using File Explorer. Open File Explorer on your PC and navigate to your OneDrive folder in the left sidebar. This shows your cloud files alongside your local folders. If you see a cloud icon next to a file, that means it's online only. Windows will pull it down as needed when you move or open it. To move files off OneDrive and onto your computer, simply drag the items from your OneDrive folder and drop them into the destination folder on your PC, such as Documents, Pictures, or a project folder you've created. Dropping them outside of the OneDrive folder removes them from OneDrive and places them locally on your PC, and the OneDrive app will sync that change. If you want to keep a copy in the cloud as well, use copy and paste instead of drag and drop, so you end up with one copy in OneDrive and one on your PC. Give the transfer a moment to finish, especially for larger files or slower connections. When it's done, your files are now stored locally and available even without internet access. That's it. Two simple ways to move your files from OneDrive to your PC. Use the browser method for quick downloads or File Explorer for a more seamless drag and drop workflow.